Hey, it's Jason. I am so excited to announce that our Water Garden Weekend Tour is back this summer.
You can see 2 properties, 1 property, or 40 properties during the 2 days.
Once you've purchased your ticket, you're given a map that shows all of the pond locations. The brochure will show you what the water feature is, possibly the size, if there's anything special, whether there's a fire pit, whether there's a kitchen, anything special that you might want to be interested in seeing.
The tour will be held on Saturday from 9 to 5 and Sunday, July 31st from 9 to 4. The barbecue is going to be on Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, and we cannot wait to see you there.
The amount of support that you have given us as the food bank, we are immensely grateful. Because of the longtime support of events like this, that's why we're able to keep doing what we do.
As always, all tour proceeds go directly to the food bank. We do hope that you can come out and join us for this awesome weekend where you can visit the most stunning water features and outdoor oases and share ideas and get inspiration from other outdoor living enthusiasts, all while supporting a great cause.
It's just so much fun to meet all these people and have people give you ideas, and they talk about your place, you talk to them, and then the barbecue on Saturday night. That's so much fun.
This year's tour will be completely self-guided, so you will be able to view the features that you want at your own pace. Afterwards, make sure you meet us at our shop for the outdoor barbecue at 6 p.m. Click on the link below to purchase your tickets. If you have any questions, give us a call or email. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you on the tour.